Hello dear fans. The longest military conflict in world history. One of the longest-running military conflicts in world history is the 100 Years' War between England and France. Of course, in reality, the term of the confrontation was not so beautiful, however, it was rounded down. Preconditions for the war. In order to understand all the intricacies of the 100 Years' War, you first need to delve into the intricacies of the so-called Salic Law concerning the issues of succession to the throne. The fact is that the royal Plantagenet dynasty, which ruled in England at that time, formally had the right to the French throne after the death of Charles IV, who ruled in France. He was the last representative of the Capetian dynasty, and the English King Edward III, akin to the Capetian through his mother, declared his claims to the throne of France. English monarchs bore the title King of France until 1800, when the British government was forced to abandon this title under the terms of a peace agreement with revolutionary France. In 1333 England went to war with Scotland, which was an ally of the French. A successful military operation led to the fact that King David of Scotland was forced to flee to France. And in 1337 the British attacked the French province of Picardy. Stages of the 100 Years' War. Since that time, both sides have been fighting with varying success, mainly in France, but no one has managed to achieve any significant result. The course of the war was largely influenced by the plague epidemic, the victims of which were many more people than died in the 100 Years' War. From 1360 to 1369, a truce was concluded between the warring countries, which was violated by the King of France Charles V, who declared another war on England. The conflict lasted until 1396, when both states simply did not have the resources to continue the confrontation. As a result of the 100 Years' War, England lost control of almost all of its lands in France, with the exception of the port city of Calais. In 1415, a new stage of the conflict began, ending with the occupation of France and the proclamation of the English King Henry V as King of France. In the same period, the legendary leader of the French, Jeanne d'Arc, appears on the political arena. Her participation led to the fact that the French troops won a number of significant victories, which ultimately made it possible to completely oust the British from France. The last English garrison in Bordeaux laid down their arms in 1453. This date is considered the official year of the end of the 100 Years' War, which lasted 116 years in total. However, a formal peace treaty between France and England was concluded only in 1475. Thanks for watching.